Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we've got something special for you: the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer. If you're dealing with head gasket issues or coolant leaks in your vehicle, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around as we dive into the details of this product and put it to the test. So, what is the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer? Well, it's designed to be a permanent solution for sealing leaks in your engine, specifically the head gasket. Whether you've got a blown head gasket, warped or cracked heads, heater core problems, or freeze plugs that are giving you trouble, this product claims to have you covered. One of the standout features of the Blue Devil Sealer is its ease of use. You don't need any special tools or expert-level skills to apply it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. It's also compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. So whether you're driving a car, truck, or SUV, you can give it a shot. Now, you might be wondering how this product actually works. Blue Devil reacts to temperature differentials created by airflow at the leak point in your engine. This temperature difference is the catalyst that triggers the chemicals in Blue Devil to react and form a chemical well, sealing the leak permanently. Applying the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer is a straightforward process. You'll need to drain some of your coolant to create space for the product, and then you pour it directly into your radiator or overflow tank. Run your engine for a specific duration as per the instructions to allow the product to work its magic. It's important to mention that the product contains no solid or particulate matter that can harm your engine. It bonds to various materials like metal, aluminum, cast, alloy, or plastic, making it safe to use as a permanent seal for your head gasket leak. So, does it really work? We had a vehicle with coolant leak issues, and we followed the instructions meticulously. After a few days, we noticed a significant improvement. The engine was running smoothly, no more misfires, and the coolant level stayed stable. Fast forward several months, and the vehicle is still running without any issues related to the head gasket or coolant leaks. It seems like the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer has provided a long-lasting solution. In conclusion, the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer has impressed us with its ease of use and its ability to deliver on its promise of a permanent seal for head gasket and coolant-related problems. Of course, results may vary depending on the extent of the damage to your engine, but it's certainly worth considering before opting for costly repairs. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. If you've had experience with the Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.